In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box in Adobe Sign. Whether you're drafting documents or preparing forms, adding text boxes is essential to customize your PDFs just the way you need. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by opening up a web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, whichever you're most comfortable with. Once your browser is open, the next step is logging into your Adobe account. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to sign up. Having access to your Adobe account is crucial because that's where all the exciting work happens. Next, it's time to navigate your way to the Request Signatures section and upload the document you want to work on. This is the point to bring up the PDF document where you intend to add the text box. You can open this in Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader, depending on which one you have installed. It's always good to ensure you're working on the correct document before proceeding. With the document open, you'll shift your focus to the Tools section. Here, you'll select Fill and Sign. This is a critical area because it's where all the magic of editing and adding your text will take place. Upon selecting Fill and Sign, your document is now ready for modifications. Look around for the Text tool, sometimes labeled as the Add Text button. Clicking on this will turn your cursor into a crosshair pointer, indicating that you are now in text edition mode. Take a moment to decide exactly where in your document you'd like to place the text box, since this will determine how your information is visually conveyed. Once you've found the perfect spot, a simple click will make the text box appear, almost like magic. Now it's your chance to start typing whatever it is you need. Adobe kindly offers various formatting options, meaning you can play around with fonts, sizes, and even colors to make your text pop. Take your time to adjust these settings according to your preference. After adding your text, you might decide that it's not perfectly placed. No problem. You can click and drag the text box around to reposition it quickly. Need to adjust the size of your text box? Easy. You simply need to drag the handles located on the text box's borders to resize it. Once your text is exactly how and where you'd like it, click outside the text box and voila! The text box is now set and ready for use. And there you have it. Adding a text box in Adobe Sign is as simple as that. Make sure to save your document once you're satisfied with your additions, and you're all set with a neatly customized PDF ready to be shared or further edited. Thanks for following along, and happy editing.